Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priya Kirar. If you're new here, my name is Priya Kirar. I'm a full-time cabin crew and I've said this twice, so you all know my name is Priya Kirar. Anyway, so today's video is actually very interesting. If you want to know how does my day look like, if you want to know how does a day look like for a cabin crew, and my brother is here, give me a time please. Hi everybody, I'm back. So yes, we were talking about that how does my day look like as a cabin crew. So let's break it out today. Before starting that, I'll ask you a lot of questions today, so you'll have to answer, okay, साथ साथ में. Anyway, do you all know what is the roster? If you don't know, you all must have heard a lot of crews say कि oh, my roster got updated, my roster this is happening, that is happening, or oh, I'm on standby, today's my home standby, I'm on airport standby tomorrow, this is the timings, that is the timings, or I'm deadheading tomorrow and all these things. I know you all must have heard all of these things somewhere if you are interested in this industry. So today's videos is gonna be about that, but before I start, I would request all of you to go like this video, subscribe this video, and do the needful. You all know what is it, and share it with your friends. Also, if you want me to talk about something specific, you can always drop me a comment. I'll be here and I'll help you in that. So okay, so let's start. Okay, my last video was about how you can improve your communication, why communication is important. If you are interested in that, you can go back and see that after this video. First you'll watch this video. Okay, now what is a roster? What do you think is a roster? Is like, what is your opinions? You can drop it now. Anyway, a roster is just a work calendar for all of us. So on every month's 25th, that depends airline to airline, our roster gets released for the whole month. So I know where I'm flying for the whole month. Like first I'm going here, on 5th I'm going there, on 10th I'm going here, then I have my weekly off, there's that. So you all got the basic idea about a roster. In aviation, we use the roster word. That's it. Otherwise, you can say my work calendar, my timetable, whatever you want to call it. Now, what is a standby? Standby, you understand, right? That you are on reserve for a specific period of time. That is what we understand by standby. Now, there are two types of standby. One is home standby, one is airport standby. What is home standby? Up, you all must have seen that, passengers go crazy. कि ओ क्रू केम 3 hours लेट, वी वर डीलेड, ये था वो था, क्रू की गलती है. आप मुझे एक बात बताओ, किसी प्राइवेट कंपनी में आपको क्यों लगता है कि एक कंपनी क्रू के 3 घंटे आने के बाद भी उसको अपने कंपनी में रखेगी? दे विल नो इट. Being a crew, being anybody in aviation industry, if you're before time, that means you're on time. Trust me, write this. You'll know if you'll get into it and if you'll know. So for the home standby I was talking, right? Home standby is about that you are at your place and they give you a duration like from 1 a.m. to 10 a.m. you are on standby, and it's a 7-8 hours standby, and you'll just be at your place. However, there is some policies regarding it. What they do is they call you 2 hours prior to the reporting and they tell you that there's this flight and some crew has reported sick and we need you and we want you to operate the flight, and then you can go on that flight. Are you understanding? This is home standby, that you are on reserve. But what people will think now is, अच्छा घर पे हो आप तो chill कर रहे होगे. No, it's traumatizing. I'll tell you why. अगर आपका रात को standby होता है ना, you have to be like, आप सो भी नहीं पाते ढंग से क्योंकि you are always checking your roster कि अपडेट तो नहीं हुआ. कुछ भी फ़ोन बजता, कॉल आता है, आपकी जान बाहर आ चुकी होती है कि यार मेरे को नहीं जाना फ्लाइट पे, प्लीज़ मुझे पुल आउट मत करो. एंड a lot of things. Now first thing would be कि हमें अपना सूटकेस रेडी रखना होता है. वन नाइट सूट, अगर अनप्लान्ड लेओवर कुछ हो गया, फिर योर मेकअप, all makeup you have to carry, okay? One pair of formals, one extra uniform, your bag has to be ready कि अभी बस आपको ट्रिप पे लेके जा रहे हैं और आप चले जाओगे. दूसरा, your documents. As a crew, the people know you have to carry a certain amount of documents. If you don't carry your documents, you can't go for that flight. So for your documents, it's like a very important thing. It's like your license, your flying license is there. If it is an international flight, then we have GDs, okay? Then we have flashlights, your QRH, a lot of things. So that is a different thing. Are you understanding home standby now? That you have to, like, even though you're at your home, you're planning and plotting a lot of things and you're just ready कि कोई मुझे बुलाए, I'll go running for my life. So this is home standby. Talking about airport standby, it's the same thing. You get a duration, get a reporting, and you go to the airport with your suitcases, your documents, you're all ready, and you're there. In case some crew reports sick last minute, then you will be the replacement and you will go. एंड they'll just call you के, क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट पे तो आप वहीं पर कॉल यू के, क्योंकि एयरपोर्ट पे तो आप वहीं पर हो ना, वो बस आपको कॉल करके बोलेंगे कि मैम अभी आ जाओ, आपको चलना पड़ेगा, क्रू नहीं है. And you can't even deny, you have to go because you're on standby. And for the home standby, it depends airline to airline. Mostly airlines don't pay you for home standby because you're practically at your place. But for airport standby, you get paid. So whatever duration is that, they give you a certain amount of money, and there's that. Now, talking about deadhead. Now what do you understand deadhead? इतना फनी वर्ड लगा था मुझे पहली बार, मैंने क्या बोल रहे हो, डेडहेड वेडहेड क्या होता है यार, क्या डेडहेड क्रू क्या होता है? सो डेडहेड इज जस्ट दैट you are going in a flight, you're going to somewhere, you're coming from somewhere, however you're not operating, you're traveling as a passenger. So any crew who is on duty but traveling as a passenger is known as a deadhead crew. I hope you all have understood this. So we have cleared what is a roster, we have cleared what is this thing, home standby, airport standby, and this thing, deadhead. What else we can, I have got a lot of questions. I'll check and I'll let you know. Wait. Okay, so before going or diving into any another topic, I want to share the story which happened to me very recently. I've made a shorts about it or Instagram reel, you all can go check. So what happened was, I was on home standby. Okay, and home standby is, it's honestly pretty chill. You can just put, like, keep your stuff ready, put your phone on this ringing mode, and then you chill, you sleep. Now what happened, they called me and they updated my roster. I just looked into my roster and I was like, what is this? क्या, कहाँ पे क्या लेबर है? एक तो इसे नींद में एक आँख खोल के मैं देख रही हूँ, कुछ मुझको समझ नहीं आ रहा है. फटाफट मैंने देखा है एंड आई कॉल देम, लाइक oh what the report, I just woke up, how will I come? They're like कि चलो, it's okay, you take your time, you just come. Okay, I live very near to the airport, so it's very easy for me. Live near the airport, if you're a crew, it will help you. Anyway, so I just think about it. मैं बैंगलोर में हूँ, अपने घर पर हूँ, मैं आराम से सो रही हूँ. Next, in just 20 minutes, I'm packing my bag for layover. I operated the sector, Bangalore to Bangalore to Bhubaneswar, and then I had a Bhubaneswar layover. एंड सुबह में उठी हूँ 8 बजे, आई गॉट पुल्ड आउट. शाम को 8 बजे जगन्नाथ पे मैं आरतियाँ देख रही हूँ. बेस्ट, आई मीन दिस इज़ द थिंग विच आई लव about, like, this is the thing that I totally love about this job. So damn spontaneous, you don't know कि आप कब कहाँ होते हो. Like, it is like God's choice, कभी भी कहीं पे भी हो सकते हो. And I like this, this is very fascinating to me कि नॉर्मल 9 to 5 सब लोग करते हैं. मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ, सबको प्रॉब्लम्स होती है लाइफ में, सबकी जॉब्स डिफ़िकल्ट होती है. ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी का जॉब ईजी है, किसी का जॉब मुश्किल है. हमारा जॉब भी बहुत मुश्किल है, बट हमारे जॉब में बहुत सारे प्रोज भी हैं. दैट मीन्स वी गेट ले ओवर्स. एंड व्हेन आई वेंट टू जगन्नाथ, आई हैड नो प्लान्स, आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गो, बट मुझे नहीं पता था मैं कैसे जाऊँगी. एंड क्या हो, हम लोग गए और मैं और मेरी ऐसी हम लोग बात कर रहे थे. आई वॉज R1 दैट डे. आई वॉज लाइक कि क्या करेंगे ले ओवर पे. शी वॉज लाइक कि हम लोग जगन्नाथ जाने का प्लान कर रहे हैं. एंड आई वॉज वन हु गॉट पुल्ड आउट, तो दे ऑल न्यू ईच अदर एंड आई वॉज लाइक द न्यू वन. कि tell me and all. So she told me कि we all are planning to go to Puri, like Jagannath Puri, and you should come along. It's like okay. So हम लोग गए. फ्लाइट से जाते इतना, मैंने तो फिर भी एक ही सेक्टर किया था. दे डिड 2-3 सेक्टर्स. ओके, they were coming from Bagdogra. The people who know, they know Bagdogra is a very long sector. दे बेचारे सब लोग आए हैं, वो लोग, हम फ्लाइट पे से गए. वी ऑल टुक अ शावर एंड वी जस्ट एट बिट ऑफ थिंग्स एंड हमने फटाफट ऊबर बुक किया कि लेट्स गो. फिर हम गए जगन्नाथ. सबसे पहले हम पूरी बीच गए, बीच देखा. इट वॉज रियली नाइस. आई मीन इट वॉज सो पीसफुल. इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु इज स्पिरिचुअल और यू बिलीव इन गॉड, जस्ट गो देयर, यू लव इट. इट वॉज दैट नाइस. फिर हमने पूरा रात हम इधर से उधर घूम रहे थे, देखा कैसा है मंदिर, दर्शन करे अच्छे से. And then next day I did this pattern, Bhubaneswar, Lucknow, Bhubaneswar halt, and then Bangalore back. Very long day for me. But what I'm trying to say is it was a very गुड layover. So कभी कभी दुख नहीं होता अगर आप pull out हो जाते हो तो sometimes it's nice. So there's that. I'm gonna end this video now. If you want to know anything else, you can always let me know. I'll see you all around. Bye bye. Take care. Love you so much. I came again to tell you that you have to like this video, you have to subscribe, and you have to tell your friends that they have to subscribe. I'll see you all around again. Bye.